How to download Alibaba product video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can download Alibaba's product video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you like a certain product video of Alibaba, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and then sign into one of my accounts first. If you happen to like a certain product video and then you would like to download that video so that you can use it for other purposes as well, it's actually quite pretty simple to do so. So let me go ahead and then log in first. So here you can see a product video over here, which let's say I would like to download, but you can see that there is no download option. If I tap the three dots option here, there is no download option. I can just tap the share button, but I can't save it. So what I can do instead is I can just play this in full screen, take it to the very first, and then after that just start screen recording on my device. So what I can instead do is, because there is no download option, one thing that I can do is I can select media, tap on start recording. Now I can simply go ahead and record it like this, and once it's done recording, once it moves to the very end of the screen, I can simply go ahead and then end the screen recording. Then after I end the screen recording, I can simply crop the unnecessary parts. So here if I go ahead and open up my gallery application using my default cropper on my phone as well, I can just tap on the little edit button here. Now I can just go ahead and then crop it depending upon what is it that I would like to crop. So right here I can just tap on edit. Now I can go ahead and then crop it depending upon by tapping the crop icon, selecting the certain resolution here. Then after that just tap the save option, then tap on the save button. This way I can download Alibaba product video. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.